Hello, my grade 10th student. I am your maths facilitator. So are you ready to learn mathematics in a very easy and simple way? So today I am going to teach you the chapter Arithmetic Progression, chapter 5 of NCERT book. So it's a very simple chapter, so we can start. See, if I am writing here 2, 4, 6 and 8, and here I am writing 3, 6, 9, 12. So if you notice the series I have written, what we have noticed here, there is a gap of 2. For example, if I subtract 4 minus 2, what will be the answer? 2. In the same way, if I subtract 6 minus 4, the answer is 2. And if I subtract 6 from 8, answer is 2. In the same way, if I notice here, if I subtract 6 minus 3, there is 3. And 9 minus 6 is 3, and 12 minus 9 is 3. So what we have noticed in this series, there is a constant difference. Means in this series, if you notice, there is a constant difference of 2 in all the consecutive numbers, and here there is a difference of 3 in all the consecutive number, or you can say they are increasing with a constant value. Like next term will be when we add 2, and that will come 10. So when we notice this kind of a series, so generally we call it AP. What we call it? AP. And that is called arithmetic progression. So like if you want to confirm any series in AP, so you have to just check there should be a constant difference. Maybe an increasing order or maybe a decreasing order. But the difference should be constant. That is more important. So if we want to write in general form this thing, so I can write like A. Then I can write like A plus D. Then here see there is a difference, I have add D. So if in this I add one more D, so it will be like 2D. And if I add, it will be like 3D, and so on, so on. So generally this is called the general expression for arithmetic progression. Here A stands for first term, A stands for first term, and D stands for common difference, and D stands for common difference. Alright, and if you want to write a general formula for this, the general formula for this is Tn. In that way we can write A plus n minus 1 in bracket and D. So this is a general formula for nth term. This is a general formula for nth term. A plus n minus 1 D, and you already know A means is first term and D means is common difference. So now I will tell you how we are going to use this formula to solve the question. So here I have already written one question. Find the 10th term of an AP, and the AP is given to you 2, 7, 12 and so on. So like we know first term is this, second term is this, third term is this. So in the question it is asking, he is asking, the writer is asking, we have to tell like this is first term, second term, third term. So what will the like 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and what will be the 10th term? So we can easily calculate. How are we going to calculate it? Easy. Always keep in your mind, when we are going to solve the question, we must write the given first. So here like we already know first term is A. First term A value is how much given to you? 2. And the way we have to find the common difference, and common difference way how are we going to find it? Second term minus first term. So here if you notice, second term is how much? 7, and first term is how much? 2. So your answer will be 5. So you easily come to know first value is 2. Okay, and common difference is how much? Second term minus first term, that is 5. Now we are looking for a 10th term. So we know the formula, general term formula. So here we'll write the general term formula. Formula is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Now what is our n value here? We are looking for 10th term. So our n value will be what? 10. First term is how much? 2. This is 10 minus 1, and common difference is 5. So we can easily calculate, like 10 minus 1 is 9, and 9 into 5, it will be 45. So your right answer is 47. So we understand if we go continuously in this series, the 10th term will be 47. I hope you understand this question. In the same way, next question is there. In this question it is, which term of an AP is given to you 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 120 more than its 21st term. So now we have to understand the question. So firstly, like how we have to solve this question, because he is asking which term, so we have to identify that term. So we can say let nth term. Let which term we have to find, that we have considered let nth term will be 120 more than its what we call it 21st term. If I write like this, okay, so we will let it. So now we already know in the question is if we talk about first term is 3, and if we talk about the common difference, that should be second term minus first term, and second term is what, like 15 minus 3, and if we subtract 15 minus 3, so your answer will be 12. Now in the question, what is according to the question, we have to write the expression which term of an AP will be 120 more than its 21st term. It means that the term we have considered this, okay, it is 120 more than its 21st term, like 21st term is there, and if you want to balance it according to the question, 120 more than, so means if we add 1 to 20 that side, then equation will be balanced. So now we can apply the formula. What is the Tn formula? Is a plus n minus 1 d, and for this 21st term we can apply the formula here. First term is what, 3, n value is what, 21 minus 1 according to the formula, and d, what is the value of d? Here we have 2. What is the d value is here? We have 12 and plus 120. Alright, simply I have read. Now again here for this Tn term, the a value is same only. What is the value? Is 3, n value we have to calculate, and d value is how much? 12. And here we have already put it the value. It will be like 21 minus d will be 20 into 12 and plus 120. Now we have to calculate the value of n. So simply we can calculate like it's 3 plus 12n minus 12 equal to, here we have 3, 12 into this is 240 plus 120. Alright, now we can easily calculate here 12n, and if we subtract 12 minus 3, it will be 9, and here we can add these things. So I'll say like it's 3, 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So here we get like 12 equal to 363 plus 9, and actually this is like 9 plus 3 is how much? 12, carry 1, it will be 7, and this. Getting? Now here I am writing it. So now if you want to calculate the value of n, it will be 372 upon 12. Alright, we already know the table of 12. 12 it will come 1 times, 12 to 24, and 12 3 is 36, 1 will be then 12 1 12. So your n value will be 31. So our right answer is that 31st term. So now we understand how to use the formula for Tn term. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.